Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we'll explore how to design highlight control masks. Begin by identifying bright areas of your image that require refinement. Then create a precise selection and refine it using mask overlay mode to avoid sharp transitions. Apply the mask to an adjustment layer, such as curves or highlights and shadows, allowing you to control brightness without affecting midtones or shadows. This selective approach helps preserve texture in skin, fabric, and reflective surfaces. Optional enhancements include stacking multiple highlight masks with different intensities for fine-tuned control.